Rock and roll!
Guy, move up. Move up. Keep moving up. Right here. On this hill and see if you see anybody running.
Behind the woods, shoot the woods, there's no cover. You can shoot through the woods.
You see somebody? You got somebody? Oh, hit. What was that? Is that a hit? Is that a hit? Is there somebody over there?
I don't see nobody. I got the guy that was there.
Is there somebody right here in the right?
Yeah, there's somebody.
Oh yeah, he's here. Hold on. Hey. Right here on the right, guy over the hill. One respawn, right? Or two respawns?
Call it! Call it! Alright, go on.
I'm here, retards!
Go to respawn, come back. They need you that position, quickly.
Oh, give me some cover. Let me tie my shoe real quick. Jesús, ¿qué pasó? Right here. To the right, guy, to the right. Over here, moving up. To the right. Green shirt. He has a green shirt.
How's that side looking? I got him.
You're out?
Yeah, he's out.
Nice. Does he have a green shirt? Does he have a green shirt?
Yeah, like a black one.
No, there's still a green shirt over here.
We got this down here.
Green shirt right here.
Oh, he's dead.
Hit! Fucking kid, I'm gonna whoop his ass, dog. You gotta get cover.
12 o'clock. Go back to base. Go back to base. Y'all stay right here. Y'all stay right here. Look, we got one. Look through this hole right here on the bottom. Look down here. Down through there. Look in front of you. To the left. You see that structure right in front of the small one? You see him? And then there's one into the structure right in front of him.
I don't see him.
They're right here in front of us to the right. Watch out. Let me take care of you guys. Just like that. You look right up there. Let me get by. Got him. Good. Do the same thing. Do not stop. You keep that position just like that.
There's two right behind that bunker right there that we're shooting at.
Yeah, I know.
A white and a black shirt.
Yes, I know. There should be one behind the bunker to the front and one person in front.
The guy tell me if anybody's coming to the right. Damn, I can't shoot through these bushes.
Oh, you would. You can see through there. Trust me, I got respect. Look, there's one behind the tire. You see him behind there? Behind the tire?
Yeah, I see the tires.
Oh, get him. Don't stop talking. Don't. Keep him back. Just keep him back. Keep sending single shot. Just send a single shot or two over there.
No, they're both coming. They're both shooting at the same time right now.
Because they're trying to move. Got one right here.
Hey, I saw that.
Don't worry about it.
Oh, he caught. He started walking away. You saw him? He started walking away.
Yeah, because they know they got hit. He's right there behind the black.
There's still one right here behind.
No talking! Dead men don't talk!
There's still one right behind here.
He's right there behind the first structure. Behind the first structure. Come here. Come here. Aim at this structure right in front of me. Right there to your left. Get out of the way. Tuck off, because the guy in front of you can see if you do that.
Which structure right here? This one right here?
Not the one you were shooting at, the one next to it. This way, over here.
Oh, I see.
Look, right here. Come here. Right here. Stand up there. Get up there. And then look up. You'll see to the left. Go, hurry up. Go. Stand up there. Other tire.
Look, there's one right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. In the wood, right here, right? In the wood, right here. That structure right there, he's behind.
Oh, yeah. I saw him.
Okay, good job.
And then there's one still right here, and then there's one all the way back there.
Alright, yo, can you guys handle it?
Yeah, we got this.
You do not, hey, listen, do not put, you're in the open when you do that. You're in the open when you do that.
Do what?
Okay, listen, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run back. I need to know how they're doing over there. Keep them here, just don't let them move up. Keep here. If you put your gun right there, put it on that thing. Stand right here, put it up. Put your gun right on there. Yeah. Now, right in front of you, right in there. You
I saw it.
You keep your elbow in, gun up, elbow in, body this way, and that, just like that. You see me? If they want to shoot, you can keep on keeping aim, okay?
Yeah.
Don't leave.
What do you mean?
When you see one, let me know.
What do you mean it took a shit on you?
Not working. His battery probably died.
Here, you need my extra? You need my extra battery? Do you need a battery?
Nah, it's not the battery. Don't let them push up. Put down that phone, make sure they're not. Can you hold it for 5 seconds?
Yeah.
I'm gonna run over and get back, okay? Listen.
Alright, I got this guy pinned down right here.
Full auto when I say, okay? Cover fire.
Alright.
Do burst, okay?
Alright.
1, 2, 3. Yo, look at my shit, dog. Put the shit on.
What do you mean? Full auto. For real? Yeah. The battery too? Check the connectors. Yo, they're moving up, though, guy.
Yeah, I know, bro, but I don't got a battery now.
So what do you want to do? You gonna call out? Are you gonna call out? You hear them though? Yeah, they're gonna come from around. They're gonna come from around right now. Are you sure? Call out then. They're gonna come and wet you up. What are you gonna do? They're coming from around me. Yo, send me one guy back over here. We only have one gun.
Oh, yeah! Over here to the left.
The fuck? Somebody's shooting from over here?
Kid over there now.
Oh shit.
Don't do it. Get down. Stay down. You got 1 minute.
Then what are you gonna do? You're just gonna kick it?
I'm gonna just kick it out.
Let me get your crossman thing. Let me get the crossman thing. But get down because this guy can see you. He's shooting us from over here. You hear this kid moving up behind me?
Where?
They're behind me. I hear them talking right here behind me.
Yo, look around the corner right here, bro.
Yeah. Game?
Yeah. Go get green shit right here.
Nah, it's game. I'm gonna shoot him after the game ends. You niggas gonna get pissed.